The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Archocean and make your JEE Mains B.Arch and NATA dreams come true. Download the app now.
Question number 1. Amritkal Vision 2047, which was recently unveiled, is associated with which field? A. Coal industry. B. Maritime industry. C. Electronics manufacturing. D. Artificial intelligence. Answer is option B. Maritime industry. Question 2. TOT, Toll Operate Transfer, model, which is seen in the news, is associated with which field? A. Finance. B. Infrastructure. C. Electronics. D. Economics. Answer is option B. Infrastructure. Question number 3. Kepler 385, which was seen in the news, is A. Asteroid. B. Seven-planet system. C. Satellite. D. Star. Answer is option B. Seven-planet system. Question number 4. Genesys International, a leading 3D mapping company, announced a strategic tie-up with which institution? A. ISRO. B. DRDO. C. Survey of India. D. Niti Aayog. Answer is option C. Survey of India. Question number 5. Boita Bandhana is celebrated in which state? A. Odisha. B. Assam. C. West Bengal. D. Meghalaya. Answer is option A. Odisha. Question number 6. Kavach technology is related to A. Railways. B. Cryptocurrency. C. Mining. D. Automobile. Answer is option A. Railways. Gram Manchitra application, which was recently launched, is associated with underscore A. Geographic Information System. B. Cultural Archive. C. Educational Resource. D. Vaccination Reminder. Answer is option A. Geographic Information System. Question number 8. India's first Regional Rapid Transit System, RRTS, Project Namo Bharat, is being constructed between A. Delhi and Meerut. B. Mumbai and Pune. C. Delhi and Jaipur. D. Bangalore and Mysore. Answer is option A. Delhi and Meerut. Question number 9. What is the full form of Gagan, the satellite-based augmentation system by DRDO? A. Geospatial Analysis and Geotagging Axis Node. B. Gyroscopic Aviation Guidance and Navigation. C. Graphical Atmosphere Grid and Analysis Nexus. D. GPS-aided Geo-augmented Navigation. Answer is option D. GPS-aided Geo-augmented Navigation. Question number 10. Which city houses the world's largest diamond bourse inaugurated by PM Modi recently? A. Mumbai. B. Surat. C. Baroda. D. Pune. Answer is option B. Surat. Question number 11. Durand Cup is associated with which sport? A. Cricket. B. Basketball. C. Football. D. Hockey. Answer is option C. Football. Question number 12. Which state is set to release a dictionary for its regional dialects? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Assam. Answer is option C. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 13. Which city is the host of 4th G20 Sustainable Finance Working Group meeting? A. Gandhinagar. B. Varanasi. C. Mysore. D. Guwahati. Answer is option B. Varanasi. Question number 14. What is the rank of India in the World Happiness Index 24-23? A. 126, B. 121, C. 118, D. 108. Answer is option A, 126. Question number 15. Which country introduced Global Biofuel Alliance, GBA? A. Sri Lanka, B. India, C. Australia, D. Canada. Answer is option B, India. Question number 16. Chenab Bridge, the world's highest railway bridge, is being constructed in which state or union territory? A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Sikkim, D. Uttarakhand. Answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 17. Davki Land Port, which was recently inaugurated, is located between India and which country? A. Myanmar, B. Nepal, C. Bangladesh, D. Sri Lanka. Answer is option C, Bangladesh. Question number 18. Which Indian state UT inaugurated the Sea Harrier Museum? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Kerala, D. Odisha. Answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 19. Tunganath Temple, which was seen in the news, is located in which state UT? A. Uttarakhand, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Assam, D. Rajasthan. Answer is option A, Uttarakhand. Question number 20. Which state launched India's first village atlas? A. Rajasthan, B. Goa, C. Jharkhand, D. Chhattisgarh. Answer is option B, Goa. Question number 21. Which state has approved 256.46 crore rupees for Chambal River Bridge and road construction projects? A. Rajasthan, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Maharashtra. Answer is option A, Rajasthan. Question number 22. South Lonath Lake is a glacial lake situated in which state? A. Sikkim, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. West Bengal. Answer is option A, Sikkim. Question number 23. Which state has received geographical indication, GI tag for which cashews? A. Kerala, B. Goa, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Odisha. Answer is option B, Goa. Question number 24. What is the new minimum age for senior citizens eligible for voting by postal ballot? A. 83 years, B. 84 years, C. 85 years, D. 86 years. Answer is option C, 85 years. Question number 25. The famous World Heritage Site Basilica of Bom Jesus is located in which among the following places in India? A. Pondicherry, B. Mahe, C. Daman, D. Goa. Answer is option D, Goa. Question number 26. Which institution released the World Health Statistics 2023? A. UNICEF, B. UNESCO, C. WHO, D. UNEP. Answer is option D, UNEP. Question number 27. The implementation plan for advancing climate, environment and health science and services is for how many years? A. 5, B. 10, C. 20, D. 25. Answer is option B, 10. Question number 28. Which city is the most expensive city in India for expatriates, as per the Mercer's Cost of Living report? A. New Delhi, B. Bengaluru, C. Mumbai, D. Hyderabad. Answer is option C. Mumbai. Question number 29. Which company has launched ChatGPT rival BARD in European Union, Brazil and other nations? A. Google. B. Microsoft. C. Apple. D. Nokia. Answer is option A. Google. Question number 30. Find out landing date of the Chandrayaan-3 mission. A. 15th April. B. 23rd October. C. 5th September. D. 23rd August. Answer is option D. 23rd August. Thank you.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Archocean and make your JEE Mains B.Arch and NATA dreams come true. Download the app now.